Hello, in front of me I've got Ford Focus. In this video I'll show you where are the VIN numbers of this car and what does the VIN number stands for. Vehicle Identification Number is a unique code assigned to every vehicle. It serves to provide access to history and equipment of the car. First VIN number you can locate in your car should be on the front windshield. Second VIN number is located on the sticker behind passengers' doors. And the last VIN number is located under floor mat under passenger seat. Right here. Now let's take a look at the VIN number and decode it. First three characters typically denote the car manufacturer. Characters from 4th to 9th or 10th position describe model and type of the vehicle. 10th character represents the vehicle production year. Subsequent characters may indicate the car's place of manufacture. Remaining characters form a unique serial number for identification. In some cases the VIN includes details about the engine and body, but these are not all informations we can get from the VIN number. Thanks to the VIN number you can also learn about vehicle trim level, engine type and size, body style, safety features, production plant and plant specific features. Also, you can learn about check digit number, market and destination, series informations. All of those informations you can get from manufacturer or dealer, online services and government agencies. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.